خوشاله یو ولې چې زموږ وطن ډیره خرابه ده په ډیره مشکلاتو کې ده په ډیره حقوق کې ده نو په دې وجه باندې هر څه چې کېږي د تعلیم د پیشرفت او د تعلیم د ترقۍ د وجې نه چې دی
They talked about jobs and education and peace and security. They're very grateful for the help they get with food and water and shelter, but what they really want is to create hope and opportunity for their children and grandchildren.
Insecurity continues to be present in many parts of the country, including in Kabul. And this is why, because also it is combined with drought and poverty, and often all these factors interact with each other. This is why we see internal displacement growing in Afghanistan.